Hey there, boo! If you're back for more lessons, welcome back. And if you're just starting, we're thrilled to have you. In this video, I'll provide you with some tips and tricks to make it easier for you to apply dip powder on both hands by yourself. Let's make sure you have everything you need at hand. In this tutorial, we will be using essential dip liquids: base coat, activator, top coat, royal rose dip powder, powder brush, and nail file. All products used in this video are linked below. Here are some tips to help you apply dip powder using your non-dominant hand. Ensure that your hands are stable by placing them on a flat surface. Take the time to practice your hand movements using a dry brush. This will help you become more comfortable with the pressure and stability required. Experiment with using a forgiving color, such as glitter dip, which requires less accuracy. When picking up base liquid, make sure to only load it onto one side of the brush. This will help with applying thin layers. Don't forget to breathe. Holding your breath can reduce your ability to focus. Concentration does not require holding your breath. Clean up any mistakes with a toothpick or cuticle pusher when the base is still wet. Run the toothpick around the cuticle for a clean look. After activating, file away any mistakes. With enough smoothing, you can truly turn around even a lumpy application. Keep practicing, and over time, you will see improvement. Don't be discouraged if you don't achieve immediate results. And that's a wrap.